this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're doing the biggest haul from the Dollar Tree I've ever done before. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm not too sure if you guys are into DIYs, but seriously lately for the summer I've been into so many DIYs that I saw so many Dollar Tree hauls that I definitely had to share with you guys what I found in my Dollar Tree in my local area. I know every Dollar Tree has different things depending on where you live. So if you maybe are in Texas, maybe you will find the same things. But I see that overall, all the things are basically the same. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys what I found. And I probably will do another video on how I set my, a couple DIYs that I found on YouTube, which were super simple, all from the Dollar Tree. So maybe you guys are into that. So definitely like and subscribe if you're into things like that. I definitely share everything that I get, from subscriptions to these hauls now, because I'm super excited. I've stayed away from the Dollar Tree for a while now, but I guess the quality of the products that I've seen on YouTube has drawn me back. So let's see what I found. So the very first thing that I have are these little salad plates. Initially, I was trying to go to the Dollar Tree for the lemon salad plates because I have a certain setup that I wanted to do on my my dining room area, but those lemon tree plates were like super sold out. So you guys are gonna see an upcoming video on a lemon tree design that I found from items from both the Dollar Tree and Target dollar area. But I kind of had to switch up my design of my dining room area because I couldn't find them. Today I went to the Dollar Tree, so you guys are seeing exactly what I hauled back. The only thing that they had was the sunflower salad plates and a whole bunch of kitchenware. I kind of didn't want to go in that direction because I love floral prints, but the lemons were not floral, so I kind of like that direction better. Definitely didn't want to do the sunflower. It was just too, I don't know, it wasn't my style. I'm more into like the modern look with things, so I got these because you guys will see the placemats that I'm gonna get with this, just to kind of make it a summery look. I feel like this is a summer color. I don't know if it shows off well because of the lighting, but this is more like a neutral teal color. So this is what's gonna be on my dining room area. And then I couldn't resist because I could never find these little wall arts. This one says love. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put this. I could actually put it above my computer, my Mac. I'm not too sure, or this is gonna end up in in the bathroom. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with that. That's still on the fence with this. Then I saw another YouTuber mention these veggie storage containers. I have yet to see this until today. So I found these veggie storage containers. I saw these in my Dollar Tree in this color teal, which again goes with my dining room plates, my plates. These were in teal. These came in blue, in a gray, and red. I kind of didn't want to go in that direction in my fridge, so I got these in teal just so that they match the dining room plates. So I got 2 of these. So I have 2, probably definitely going to go back for more before I can't find these colors. But if you see there, they go for, you can put your strawberries, berries, grapes, whatever. We usually get strawberries from Costco in these large containers. So that's kind of why I want to get them out of those containers so that they stay fresh longer. Another wall art that I found was this, and this, you can guess where that's going. That's definitely going in my bathroom. I thought this was super cute. We moved into our new place last year. I have yet to design anything, so I have that one, and I found this one that's definitely going in there. So as you can see, they definitely go together. The bathroom that I have is in a dark blue. I'm gonna lighten it up with a lighter blue, but I thought these would be an awesome add to the bathroom because I have yet to put anything on the walls in the bathroom at all. Another thing, I don't even know where to start and where to go next because I have so many things, but let me move some things so I don't ruin any of the art. Okay. Again, I'm working on my bathroom, so I found these little 3 containers. They come in cases of 3, and these are just storage organizers. I'm putting these in the drawers of my bathroom so that I can keep, if you guys follow my channel, you guys know that I do a lot of unboxings for different subscription boxes. A lot of times they give us little mini or deluxe size products. And if you guys want to take a look to see all the subscriptions that I'm into, you can definitely find them below in the description. So we won't, different video. This is not that, but we get a lot of lip glosses, deluxe size, sample size products, and they're hard to like put away without getting rid of them or losing them. So I thought that this would be good for my drawer, so I can keep little things in an organized area, so I can separate the ones that I've used and are empty, so that I can do a video for you guys on what products I like once they're done. Another thing I found on YouTube, seriously, YouTube is like amazing with the ideas of you guys. I think the reason why I stopped going to Dollar Tree is because my mind is not that creative as many of you guys are on YouTube. I saw yet another YouTuber, she found this, and I don't know if it shows off very well. This one is like a pearlesque. So it's not plain white, but this is a pearl. This was in the candle section. Now, what the other YouTuber mentioned is that she was gonna use this for her makeup brushes. Honestly, what's holding my makeup brushes is just one of those toothbrush cup sets. It's just white, plain cup. This was in the candle section. She had one in pink. I wish I would have found that. I only found this one. And this was from a different Dollar Tree, but I didn't even see this in the big Dollar Tree section in the store that I went in today. So I got that the other day. This was just a personal haul for me. I've never tried these before. So I saw another YouTuber, she had these. These are from Plackers. These are 60 dental flossers. These I thought was such a good idea, because who likes to use those little floss picks? This actually, not the picks, obviously that's what this is, but who likes to use the floss containers where you have to put your finger in there? This is an easier way to floss. I'm hoping my kids take up the flossing more, since this makes it easier. I saw another YouTuber have these like in a little silver tray that she got from the Dollar Tree. That's a good idea. So I'm definitely gonna figure out, or maybe buy something where I can put these little floss containers into. Another thing, personal, so it's not new to the Dollar Tree, but we haven't had these in a while. We needed a new roller brush, lint roller. So those are definitely awesome finds at the Dollar Tree. I got this satin ribbon. This is in a blue. You guys will see in a future video what I'm gonna do with that. Definitely $1. Can't go wrong with that. This, I got a pillar candle. So if you can see that, it's multicolored. More than likely, this is gonna go on my dining room area, also on the table, with the DIY that I'm gonna just make up in my head from what I've saw on different YouTubers. This, because I was attempting again to stay within that lemon theme, I just couldn't, because the lemons were not in my area. So I ended up going again with the plates that let me just get those back. With the plates that are gonna be in my dining room area, this is what is gonna go alongside with it in the kitchen. This says the best things in life aren't things. So I thought this would match perfectly with what I already have in as far as the salad plates that I'm gonna put. And I actually got 2 of these because I have a fairly long oven, so I'm gonna put one on each side so that hangs over. And then my son was with me. He wanted to get this, even though he's not in school. He just needed to have this for his lunchbox, so he got that. These are always super cool. You know, you can put your lunches in there and stuff like that. So those are always cool, and then they snap closed. So there you go. You just put your sandwich in there, or put chips with your sandwich in there, and these are super good. And then again, this is for my bathroom. I'm putting these in the bathroom in the organizers, because again, like I mentioned, I have a lot of deluxe size products and also creams that I get in my subscription boxes, which I'm kind of putting my bathroom in a space where I'm having less things on top of the counter. So I'm trying to get away so I can put them in the drawers that I have. So I'm going to be getting a bunch of these different things. I just grabbed a couple to see how I designed that the bathroom drawers. I got these. I'm not too sure how these will smell. We have 2 bathrooms, so I would definitely put them in. This one smelled the best. Just something simple. I kind of like to put candles in the bathroom, better than that, but I just grabbed them to see if they help freshen up the bathroom. And then I got these air fresheners. These are always super nice. I don't like to have I don't know if you guys remember the old-fashioned trees that hang from your mirror. I don't like those. I like these. So these were like lemony scent. I'm trying to broaden my horizons and stay away from the berry stuff. I always get berry. We'll see what happens with those. And then these are just 2 plates, 2 white plates that are microwavable. It says microwave safe, but this is going for my dining room table. I didn't want to get glass plates because these plates are going to just be a temporary plate for whatever the season is. In my mind, hopefully that will be the case, but this is because I'm going to double layer my dining room area. And then last but not least, for my Dollar Tree haul, we have these placemats. These were the better designed placemats that I had. I like a modern decor look, so alongside with the white plates, this is the idea. Alongside with the white plates, this is going to be like a double layer, and then I have some yellow tea towel napkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you guys will see that probably in my DIY that I'll share with you guys, just to give you guys an idea of what to do this summer, just to make it summery. So hope that guys gave you just a little sneak peek on what I'm doing in my dining room table. But what did you guys think? Did you guys get any of these products? Have you guys tried any of these products? Have you guys been to Dollar Tree lately? I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a very long time, so I was definitely excited to get my hands on some things and finally decorate my new home, because I haven't. We've been so busy with everything in life, so I said, you know what, it's time to finally design this kitchen and dining room area. So with that being said, definitely let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the products that I mentioned in this video. Let me know, do you guys like videos like these? I'm thinking of doing these every so often when I do like a big haul, just to share with you guys maybe what's new in Dollar Tree. But that's what I found in my local Dollar Tree. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will definitely see you on the next video.